Welcome to Shiksha Vichar. Myself Santosh, and in this video we are going to discuss associative property for rational number. First of all, we have to discuss what are rational numbers. Rational numbers in mathematics are represented by capital letter Q and given by P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and the condition is that Q must not be equal to 0. Means any number which is of the form P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers and the denominator, that is Q, is not equal to 0, then we say all those numbers are rational numbers. We will discuss associative property with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First of all, we have to discuss the general rule for associativity for rational numbers. So the definition says that if A, B, C are three rational numbers, then A star inside bracket B star C equal to A star B outside star C. That means A, B and C are rational numbers. Then this result must be satisfied. If this result is satisfied, then we say that associative property for rational numbers is satisfied. Now first case, that is addition. First of all, we will define the general rule. That would be the rule for addition. The rule would be A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. To check the verification, we have to take three rational numbers and then we will check this result. Let A equals to 2 upon 3, B equals to 5 upon 3 and C equals to 7 upon 3. Then we will solve left hand side and then right hand side and see the output comes. First, LHS. What is LHS? That is A plus B plus C. Substitute the values. That means A plus means 2 upon 3 plus inside bracket 5 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3, and then solve it. We will get 2 upon 3 plus 5 plus 7, that will be 12 upon 3. Why? Because the denominator in both the numbers are same. That is why we did not take any kind of LCM. That will give us 2 upon 3 plus 12 upon 3. And after solution we will get 14 upon 3. So this is the value of the left hand side. Now we will solve right hand side. What is the right hand side? That is A plus B plus C. Then we will put the values of A, B and C in this expression and check the verification. This implies that A, that means 2 upon 3 plus B, that means 5 upon 3 inside bracket plus 7 upon 3. What is the meaning to insert the numbers inside the bracket? Bracket means we are going to solve these two numbers first, and after solving these two numbers we will add this number. Means here we will get 5 plus 2, that is 7 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3, and after addition of these two we will get 14 upon 3. What we see? We see that the value of right hand side and left hand side both are same. That means LHS equals to RHS. What does it mean? It means that associative property for rational numbers over addition is satisfied. Clear? Now you can choose other numbers. I choose A equal to 2 upon 3, B equals to 5 upon 3, C equal to 7 upon 3, but you can choose some different numbers. The condition is that those numbers must come from the set called rational numbers. Okay, next case, that is subtraction. So what is the rule for subtraction? Rule would be a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Again we have to take some values and then check for the result for the verification of this result. So let a equals to 5 upon 2, b equals to 3 upon 2 and c equals to 9 upon 2. Now what is the left hand side? Left hand side, that is a minus b minus c. That means this implies that a, what is the value of a? 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2 minus inside bracket 3 upon 2 and minus 9 upon 2. We will solve it and we will get 5 upon 2 minus 3 minus 9, that is minus 6 upon 2. Again we will solve it. Now see, there is minus, there is also minus. This minus and this minus will combine into plus. That means 6 plus 5 would be 11 and this would be 2. That means the value of left hand side is what? 11 upon 2. Now we will check the value of right hand side. Right hand side means a minus b minus c. Okay. Now we will put the values that we took here. This will give us a, that means 5 upon 2 minus b, that is 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2. That means 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2. This implies that 2 minus 9, that would be 7 negative upon 2. What we see? We see that the value of left hand side is 11 upon 2 and the value of right hand side is minus 7 upon 2. That means left hand side LHS is not same as RHS. What it does mean? It means that associative property for rational numbers over subtraction is not satisfied. Let's discuss the case third, that is multiplication. So first of all we will define the rule. The rule says that the case of multiplication will imply that star will be converted into multiplication. Okay, that means the rule would be a multiply b multiply c equals to a multiply b multiplied by c. Now we will take three rational numbers and check the verification for this result. Okay, so let a equals to 2 upon 3, b equals to 0 and c equals to 5 upon 9. Okay, now there may be a question in your mind that whether 0 is a rational number or not. So the answer is yes, 0 is rational. Why rational? Because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1. Here we can check the definition. What the definition says that p and q must be integers. P, this is q, both are integers. And the third condition is that q should not be equal to 0. That means the denominator should not be 0 and that is 1, which is not equal to 0. So we can say that all the terms of condition of definition are satisfied here. That means 0 is also a rational number. Okay, now we will check left hand side. What is left hand side? That is a multiply b multiply c. This implies that what is the value of a? That is 2 upon 3 multiplied by b. B is what? 0 multiplied by 5 upon 9, and this will give us 2 upon 3 multiplied. 0 will be multiplied to any number and the result will be 0. That means 0, and this will give us again 0. That means the value of left hand side is what? That is 0. Now see the value of right hand side. So right hand side is a multiply b multiplied c. Substituting the taken values and we will get the result. That means a multiply b, that is 2 upon 3 multiply b, that is again 0, and multiplied by c, that is 5 upon 9. And this will give us 2 upon 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0, multiply 5 upon 9, again the result would be 0. What we see, we observe that the value of left hand side LHS is same as the value in the right hand side, and it means that associative property for rational numbers with respect to multiplication is satisfied. You can take other numbers instead of taking 2 upon 3, 0 upon 1, 5 upon 9, but the condition is that those numbers should become from the set called rational numbers. Okay, now check the last case, that is division. So what would be the rule for division? Rule would be a divided by b divided by c must be equal to a divided by b divided by c. Again we have to take some numbers and check the result for this result. So let a equals to 2 upon 3, b equals to 5 upon 3, and c equal to 7 upon 3. You can take other numbers as well, there is no doubt, but the condition is again that those numbers should become from the set called rational numbers. Okay, now we will check the left hand side. What is left hand side? LHS is a divided b inside bracket. That means putting these values we will get a, that means 2 upon 3 divided by b divided by c, that is 5 upon 3 divided by c, that is 7 upon 3, and then we will solve it and we will get 2 upon 3 divided by this will become 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Why? We know that whenever we divide a fraction with another fraction, then what we do, we convert this division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second fraction and then multiply it to the previous fraction. Okay, so that means the result again would be 2 upon 3 divided by this 3 will be cancel out and the remaining result would be 5 upon 7. Again we will solve it and we will get 2 upon 3 multiplied by 7 upon 5. Why? The same reason that was done in this step. Okay, now after multiplying these two numbers we will get this result as 7 to the 14, 14 upon 5 to the 15. That means the value of the left hand side is 14 upon 15. Now check the value of right hand side. That is what? Right hand side is a divided b divided by c. That means putting these values we will get the result, that is a divided by b, that means 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 3 divided by 7 upon 3. This implies that this will give us 2 and the reciprocal would be 3 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 3. This implies that 2 3 is 6 and 5 3 is 15 divided by, we again convert the sign of division into multiplication, that means multiplied by 3 upon 7, and this implies that this would be 6 3 is 18 and this would be 105. Okay, so we can see that the value of right hand side is 18 upon 105 and the value of left hand side is 14 upon 15. That means these two values are not equal. That means left hand side LHS is not same as RHS. What it does mean? It means that associative property for rational numbers over multiplication is not satisfied. So this was the video in which we discussed associative property for rational numbers, and we discussed this property with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we show the case that this property is satisfied under addition, end multiplication and this property is not satisfied in the case of subtraction and division. Thank you.